Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the GEEKOM IT15 Mini PC 2025 edition. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking for a compact powerhouse that fits in the palm of your hand but delivers desktop-class performance, the GEEKOM IT15 Mini PC is a small form-factor machine with some seriously big specs. Whether you're a power user, content creator, developer, or someone who wants a clutter-free yet high-performance desktop experience, this 2025 edition brings a lot to the table. Let's start with the brain of this system, the 15th General Intel Core Ultra 9 285H processor. With 16 cores and 16 threads and a turbo clock of up to 5.4 GHz, this chip is built on Intel's cutting-edge architecture, blending performance cores for heavy tasks with efficiency cores for background processes. Whether you're editing video, compiling code, running simulations, or multitasking across productivity apps, the IT15 handles it all with minimal latency and smooth responsiveness. Backed by 32 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, you get incredible bandwidth and speed for demanding multitasking. From running VMs to opening dozens of tabs in heavy apps at once, this setup doesn't flinch. And the RAM is expandable, giving you room to grow if your workflows demand even more. Storage is just as impressive. You get a 2TB PCIe Gen 4x4 NVMe SSD, which means insanely fast read and write speeds. Windows boots in seconds, applications launch instantly, and file transfers happen in the blink of an eye. It's perfect for those who need high-speed access to large files, like video editors, 3D modelers, or software developers. Despite its ultra-compact size, the GEEKOM IT15 doesn't cut corners on connectivity or graphics output. It supports 8K resolution and up-to-quad display setups, making it ideal for professional multi-monitor workstations, financial traders, or anyone who needs maximum screen real estate in a minimal footprint. It also comes equipped with USB 4.0 ports, giving you high-speed data transfer, power delivery, and support for external GPUs or ultra-fast storage, all from a single port. There are also standard USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort options, ensuring wide compatibility with your existing gear. On the wireless front, you get Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, delivering ultra-fast, low-latency wireless connectivity. Whether you're streaming, transferring large files wirelessly, or connecting to peripherals, this PC is ready for future-proof performance. It ships with Windows 11 pre-installed, giving you access to the latest features, improved multitasking tools like Snap layouts and virtual desktops, and a sleek, responsive UI that matches the power of the hardware. The chassis itself is minimalist, modern, and built with premium materials. It's small enough to mount behind a monitor or tuck into a backpack, but tough enough for daily travel or professional deployment. And thanks to its whisper-quiet operation and efficient thermal design, it stays cool and quiet even under heavy load. To wrap it all up, the GEEKOM IT15 Mini PC 2025 edition proves that you don't need a giant desktop tower to get serious performance. With the Intel Core Ultra 9 285H, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 2TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, 8K output, quad display support, USB 4.0, Wi-Fi 7, and Windows 11, this is a tiny machine with massive potential. Click the link below for the best price on the GEEKOM IT15 Mini PC. Whether you're upgrading your home office, setting up a portable creative workstation, or powering your productivity on the go, this mini PC is ready to do it all.